Hey, just want to do a quick little demo on your installed Saberbay Darksaber, installed with Proffie v3.9, as well as the supplied Goth3D design chassis. So this version of the Saberbay Darksaber is powder coated to kind of match the Season 3 look of it. We've got our magnetic switch plate here, with the main switch over there, and auxiliary switch over there. So it is magnetic, so you can actually remove it, and you kind of need to remove it if you want to remove the body piece. Up here I have the printed blade plug inserted along with the metal sleeve. Over here I also had to file down and insert the cubes here for the shine through windows and the emitter. I also went ahead and attached the FX sound vented pommel for the Darksaber, as well as had to attach all the external greeblies on it. So to access the chassis, you want to remove this retention screw here. There should be a provided Allen key. I'm using a M1.3 millimeter Allen key. So just unscrew that. Set off to the side. You also need to remove the magnetic switch plate. And then just slide the body off. So here we have our Proffie v3.9 in the Goth3D design chassis. We've got our switch plate there, kill switch, we've got our OLED screen in the back, as well as an 18650 battery with the battery wrap, and the Saberbay bass speaker down there. So currently the kill switch is in the off position facing down. So just...
In order for her to wield the Darksaber again, she would need to defeat you in combat.
So flip the kill switch on. If you're looking at it this way, it's the right, or flipping it up. Not sure if you noticed that there was also the OLED. So let me switch sound fonts to show the sound font name on the OLED screen.
The Darksaber, it belongs to you.
So by default, whenever you cycle into a font, it shows the font's name in Arabic.
The Darksaber.
So it's dark
it
in
belongs
Arabic.
to you.
And that's the battery level. So I'm going to turn the Darksaber on. So there's the Pixel LEDs there for the switch. We've got our shine through and the blade plug. And our bass speaker there. So one thing I did notice is that once you put the grip in, it's going to muffle the sound a lot because the speaker is firing sideways instead of firing down towards the pommel. So you can kind of already hear the difference. It's quite muffled once the grip is in. So let's put the screw back in. So here it is, reassembled with the grip on, as well as the switch plate. So currently I have one font loaded on there. It's just a Darksaber font that I had. Before sending this over to you, I'm probably gonna load it with like a free default font, as well as a config file to send it over to you. That way we can kind of get started if you want to configure it. Got flash on flash. Cross the blocks. Smooth swing. Accent swings. So there you go. There's your Darksaber. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said before, I'm going to be reloading the sound fonts on the Saber, so there's just free fonts on there, and also send the config over to you so you can get started with that. Thank you.